Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. And today in this video we're gonna learn a really nice card trick in which you take the card to pocket effect to the next level. Okay? And it's an intermediate effect, so make sure you got the basics down and also get down card palming. It's really important for this trick. And I don't really know the name of this trick. If you guys know that, then please go ahead and put it on the comments below. I forgot that, so please put the name down in the comments below. And let's not waste any time and get into the video. So guys, here's a performance of that trick. So I've got a shuffle deck of playing cards right over here, and I'm gonna give the deck a shuffle. Alright, now at this point I'm gonna have my spectator just stop at any point they want.
Stop.
Over here. Okay, now at this point divide the deck into two parts just like so. Now I want my spectator to just choose any of these two piles. This one, okay. I'm gonna keep this pile off to the side, and you have chosen this pile, okay. You can also shuffle the deck and the pile. Now as you can see, all the cards are shuffled up, right? Now at this point what's gonna happen is I'm gonna deal cards from 1 to 10 over here. Now I want you to think of any number between 1 and 10 and just show that to the camera. I'm not gonna see it. Done? Okay. Now at this point I'm gonna deal cards 1 to 10 and you're gonna remember the card which comes at your number. So for example, you have picked the number 8, then you're gonna remember the 8 card. Now let's start with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so I hope that you've got your card right. Now I'm gonna keep this pile on top of this pile and I'm gonna keep this pile off to the side. Now I'm gonna come into this pile. Now I'm gonna have the spectator mix up the deck. It's an impromptu trick, right? Now I'm gonna have my spectator just, like say stop and pick any card they want.
Stop.
This one over here. It was a free choice. Now nobody can see this card. It's a secret card and I'm gonna keep that in my pocket. As you can see, it's going inside my pocket like that. Now I'm gonna come back to this pile. Now I want you to say the number which you picked.
4.
4. So I kept the cards on top, right? So technically the 4th card will be your card.
Yes.
So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is your card the 3 of clubs?
No.
Your card is not the 3 of clubs?
No.
Oh, actually what happened, you could have picked any of these cards, right? But you picked a specific card which is now in my pocket. And I can actually show you that that card which is in my pocket is actually your selection.
Yes.
Alright guys, that's the trick, and now here's how you do it. Okay, so first of all you need is just a deck of cards, no setup at all. It's a completely impromptu trick. So just go ahead and have the deck shuffled up by the spectator, just like that. Now at this point you're gonna go ahead and just have them divide the deck into two parts, okay? So they're gonna say stop at any point. Let's say over here, and you got two parts just like so. Now at this point you're gonna go ahead and have them just pick any half they want, okay? So let's say they pick this one over here. So now you're gonna keep this half off to the side and use this half, okay? You can also keep them in their hands, but I don't have a spectator, so I'm keeping this off the side. Now you're gonna use this half. You're gonna go ahead and flip this half over and show them that all the cards over here are shuffled up. And while you're doing this, spread the cards, and then while you're squaring up, just get the break under the top two cards, okay? You can also do it by riffling the deck, but when you're spreading the cards, it looks a bit more natural. So just do this. I keep my index finger on the second card over here. Then when I square up, I just quickly catch a break like that. So now once you have a break like that, you're gonna explain everything. So you're gonna say that I'm gonna deal down 10 cards, and you're gonna think of a number between 1 and 10, and you're gonna remember the card that comes at your number. So for now this is a tutorial, so I'm gonna pick a number myself. So let's say the spectator picks the number 7. Okay, so now you're gonna deal down the cards. So 1, and this one card is actually 2, okay? That's why you got a break, okay? So you got a break, just pick them up and just drop them down. Then you do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th card is 6 of spades. You remember the 6 of spades. 8, 9, 10. So now it's done. Now you're gonna take these 11 cards, but they think it's 10 cards, right? You're gonna take these 11 cards and just put them on top of the deck, just like that. Now keep this half off to the side. I'm gonna bring this half. Now you're gonna go ahead and have the half shuffled by the spectator. Then they're gonna pick any card they want. Okay, it's a free choice. They can pick any card. Let's say they pick this one over here. Now nobody can see this card. This is a random card and it's a secret card. So just take it and simply place it in your pocket, just like that. Alright, now you're gonna go ahead and keep this half off to the side again. Now you're gonna bring this half to the play. Now you're gonna go ahead and deal down those cards from the top again. Okay, and before doing that, just ask them their number. It was I think 7, right? Okay, 7. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th card you're gonna stop. Okay, now as you drop down an extra card, the card is now 8th from the top. So now you're gonna say that your card is the 2 of diamonds, right? And they're gonna say no, it's not the 2 of diamonds. Then you're gonna say, oh, actually you could have picked any of these cards from this pile, right? And you picked a card and was in my pocket, right? And while doing all this, you just go ahead and flip this deck over and get a break above the bottom card from the face up deck, and it's actually their selection. So now at this point the main step comes. It's the hardest step because you have to be really careful about the angles. So here's how we do it. You get a break. Then I actually taught this slide. I'm gonna link that down below. So this is a slide. You're gonna do the gambler's cop. So you bring the whole deck back like that. Just maintain a thumb break. Then you push everything except their selection. So now you are here, and from this angle it's invisible, right? And you do this really fast. So you have the card over here, get a break, and just like that you have the card in the palm position. Then angle the hand like that so that the thumb is facing at the spectator, and all these knuckles are like that. Then you put the deck down, and in the swift motion you can just spread it out and come over and just put your hand inside the pocket. I'm gonna just bend down so that you can see. Now the card is over here, so you just put the whole hand inside the pocket. Just act like you're taking out the card, but actually you just hold their card and take it out, and the card that you just inserted at the beginning is just there. Okay, just take it out and show them that the card that they picked from that pile is actually their selection, which was from this pile. So that's it, guys. That's the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope you guys learned something in this video. And if you didn't, please go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.